This week I'm testing Volkswagen's smallest SUV, the T-Cross. Let's find out how good it is as a baby drive. In the back of the T-Cross there are Isofix in the two outer seats. They are within plastic guides and nice and easy to connect to. On the back of all three seat backs are top tether anchorages, really nice and easy to connect to through the boot. Now I could fit two child seats in the back here, really nice and easily, with a little bit of space in between them. The legroom in the back here is really good. We found with a forward facing on the driver's side, then a 186 centimetre driver can sit in front of them, and with a rear facing on the passenger side, then a 186 centimetre passenger can sit in front of it there. Storage in the T-Cross is quite good. There are two cup holders in the central console. They'll hold a reusable and a disposable coffee cup, and a refillable water bottle fits in them too. Behind them is a really small central console box. The lid does double as your armrest. In front of the gear lever is a wireless phone charging well. There's also two USB ports there too. There's no sunglasses case in the ceiling, however the glove box is a good size. It will hold my wallet but not the iPad with the manual. Underneath the driver's seat is a hidden drawer, which is great for leaving valuables in when you're out of the car. And the door bins are a really good size in the front. They'll hold a large refillable water bottle, and an iPad will fit in them too. In the back of the T-Cross, the storage is more minimal. The door bins are a good size and will hold a large refillable water bottle, and there's mat pockets on the back of both front seats. There's also a little drawer in the back of the central console box and two USB ports. There are aircon vents in the front of the T-Cross, but there's none in the back. It just makes it difficult to keep those rear passengers cool. The boot of the Life model T-Cross opens and closes silently and manually. Let's find out how much we can fit in the boot. Empty, it will hold 8 shopping bags, or the Duet twin stroller and 2 shopping bags, a tandem pram and 2 shopping bags, a single pram and 3 shopping bags, or a compact pram and 4 shopping bags, or a medium-sized dog. The T-Cross is a lovely and nippy and light car to drive. It does feel nice and sturdy on the road though, which is great. Being such a small SUV, it's really nice and easy to manoeuvre around town and really easy to park too. The media system in the Volkswagen T-Cross is really lovely and simple. It's easy to use and to navigate. It doesn't have sat-nav built in, but for that you've got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. When you put it into reverse, the camera image is lovely and clear, and it fills the whole screen, and you can turn the parking sensors off with a button down in the central console. So to sum up with the T-Cross, it's a really practical little SUV for a family of 4, with great interior space, boot space, and that media system is really good.